My name is Manan Kothari. I'm a staff site reliability engineer at project44. Project44 is building that connective tissue across all the different points in your supply chain across the world. Google support for Kubernetes has been best in class. That was a big reason why we chose Google Cloud. When we moved to Kubernetes, it's allowed us to deploy our code and software a lot faster, and that helps our customers out too, because then they're not waiting a week or 2 weeks for a bug fix or potential new feature. Building on top of Vertex AI and other solutions like that really kind of helped us accelerate our journey on that ML landscape. A couple of the things that really drew us to Datadog, one was their Watchdog capability, which helps us automatically get to those potential RCAs or the root causes. It kind of becomes that single pane of glass, and so our developers don't have to go to 8 different tools to get that visibility. And Datadog has helped us become more proactive in identifying issues before our customers catch them, which again leads to better customer satisfaction. It's also reduced the number of incidents that we've had, and we've been able to reduce our mean time to resolution during those incidents. With Datadog, we've reduced our MTTR during incidents by up to 60%. If you have a truckload shipment that's being shipped from California to New York, and with all the volume of data that we collected over the year, that's billions of data points, we can kind of predict, hey, like that shipment might arrive earlier or later. And so all these models that we've built are built on top of, Vertex AI to help us get more accurate ETAs for our customers. We've also built some capabilities around using natural language to be able to search and filter and use our platform, because it is a fairly complex product. Kind of simplifies that for our customers so that all they have to do is say, hey, what shipments are running late? With Google Cloud and Datadog, project44 is building a new way to solve supply chain disruptions and provide full supply chain visibility.